Hi guys, I just want to share something. For me, like working here abroad, I just want to share something about depression while working far from the family. Many of us who work abroad carry heavy burdens that we rarely show to others. Behind the smiles and long hours, there are times that when everything feels overwhelming, the loneliness, yeah, the constant pressure, um, the silent battles that leave us feeling depressed because of the being exhausted, doing our work every day, and being far from our family, from our home, from the people that we love. um, can make our problem like feel much heavier because we don't have someone to lean on because they are very far. And then sometimes being with the person you love or your family physically is also a great help when you're feeling something, or you're feeling depressed, you're feeling down because of you know depression. But even in those darkest moments, it's important to remember that we are not alone in this journey. There are so many others also. There are so many others also